Got to say, Quetta Gladiators played a perfect hand and outsmarted Peshawar Zalmi in this contest. They win by a wide margin of 80 runs. In the presentation party, we've got Mr. Salman Masood, representing PCB's Director Commercial Pakistan Cricket Board, Mr. Mustafa Gilani, Chief Digital and Financial Inclusion Officer, HBL, Microfinance Bank, HBL, Mr. Amir Aftab, Chief Product Officer, JazzCaz Jazz, Mr. Imran Saeed, Authorized Dealer, Inverex Solar Energy, Mr. Siddiq Akbar on behalf of Homage, Mr. Bashir Khan on behalf of Go Lutlo, Mr. Professor Dr. Numan Nasir, Scientist and Hamare Heroes for this contest. May I invite Mr. Bashir Khan to present the Go Lutlo Scan Karoji Motorbike Award.
Thank you.
So, motorbike has been won. I hope you have the license also. Professor Dr. Numan Nasir, let's talk about him because he was part of our Hamare Heroes campaign. He has been credited to be one of the most productive scientists in Pakistan, and his name has been listed among the top 2% of scientists globally for the past 4 consecutive years. Dr. Nasir has secured numerous international grants and awards, including the prestigious Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation Award. A major portion of his research focuses on rehabilitation of people facing physical disabilities in Pakistan. Please come forward to receive the award. Mr. Siddiq Akbar will present the Hamare Heroes Cash Award of PKR 2,40,000. Hamare Heroes, powered by Homage Appliances. Mr. Salman Masood to please come forward and present the PCB Man of the Match trophy to Mohammad Amir. Bowled a splendid first over. May I invite Imran Saeed, Mr. Imran Saeed to please present the Inverex Solar Energy Energetic Batter of the Match. 200,000 goes to Finn Allen. Mr. Amir Aftab to present the Jazz Superpower of the Day Cash Award of rupees 300,000 to Kusal Mendes. Fantastic all-round performance from Kusal. Thank you. HBL is celebrating a decade of HBL PSL with Zabardast Khel. Joining us today to present the Player of the Match Award is Mr. Mustafa Gilani, Chief Digital and Financial Inclusion Officer from HBL. Mr. Mustafa will present the HBL PSL Player of the Match Trophy and Cash Award of PKR 500,000 to Abrar Ahmed. 4 wickets for him. आइए अबरार साहब आपसे कुछ गुफ्तगू करें। एक तो पहले आपको बहुत मुबारक हो क्योंकि बगैर चश्मे के ज़बरदस्त कॉटन बोल्ड था वो।
थैंक यू सो मच। बहुत सारे कॉटन कैच पकड़ लिए।
सही बात है। क्या चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा आपको अच्छी लगी आपकी आज की परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में? कंट्रोल, स्पिन, डिसिप्लिन, क्या चीज़ अच्छा था?
रमीज भाई, मुझे जो लगता है कि डिसिप्लिन जो पावर प्ले में जो बॉलिंग दी, जैसे कप्तान ने कहा था कि यार अभी मुझे आपसे आउट चाहिए, आप अगर रन देते भी हो क्योंकि आप विकेट टेकन ऑप्शन हो तो हमें चाहिए कि आप हमें विकेट दे के दो, और जिसमें मैं कामयाब हुआ।
बहुत बड़ी फतह है ये। आपकी नई एक टीम बन के उभरी है इस एडिशन में। क्या चीज़ें आप समझती हैं कि अच्छे होने वाली हैं क्वेटा ग्लैडिएटर्स की इस चैंपियनशिप में?
देखा जाए कि हमारी अगर बैटिंग लाइन देखी जाए तो जिस तरह सऊद भाई ऊपर से खेलते हैं, अगर पावर प्ले के बाद अगर देखा जाए हमारे पास रेली रोसो वगैरह है और आने वाले वक्तों में चैंपियन भी होंगे क्योंकि हमारी टीम बैलेंस बहुत अच्छा है। स्पिनर हमारे पास बहुत अच्छे हैं, जिस तरह उस्मान भाई है और अकील हुसैन है नए आने वाले, जो भी है, मुझे जो लगता है हमारा कम्बिनेशन बहुत तगड़ा है।
आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, कमाल की बॉलिंग की आप।
थैंक यू सो मच।
Right, may I now invite Saud Shakil to please come forward. Saud, many congratulations. Tremendous first game for you. Where did it go all right for you guys? Let's talk a little bit about the bowling performance and the batting performance.
I think the way we started the innings that gave us the momentum to take to the match. Finn batted really well. But in the later order, like the way Kushal Mendes and Riley also finished the innings in our batting, that sums up the good total here. I think, as I say in the toss, that pitch doesn't look that good, but still, that pitch is what I think is 180 pitch. We have posted a good total there. And at the same time, the bowlers stuck to our plans, the way Abrar bowled, and every bowler just chip in and use the condition over there really well. I'm very happy that the way we started this campaign.
It must make your job a bit easier because of the kind of bowling spread that you've got. There's a lot of all-round strength in the bowling.
I think it's the all-round thing as well, but at the same time, there's a lot more experience there. You don't have to tell Amir Bhai what to do. You don't have to tell Jamieson what to do. And at the same time, Abrar playing for Pakistan as well. And Usman Tariq, the way he bowled, they all know their plans, and it's making my job easy.
That's right. What about your batting? How pleased are you with how you shaped up out there?
Oh, with my stuff?
With your innings?
Yeah, I'm really happy, but I think that I can finish there really well. Still want to take that game really deep and want to score big runs.
All right, okay. Best of luck.
Thanks.
Because there's still a lot of cricket to be played in this tournament, but off to a flying start. Well done.
Thanks very much.
Saud Shakil there, the winning captain, and that is what we have from the presentation ceremony down here.
Yeah, modesty from Saud Shakil. I mean, you'd expect that, but he really is a terrific talent. So Karachi Kings and Multan Sultans to come in just a short while, 7:50 p.m. onwards local time. A resounding victory today for Quetta Gladiators. They played terrific cricket, thoroughly deserved that victory. We hope you'll be with us for the rest of the evening. Much enjoyable cricket to come. For the moment, from Rawalpindi, bye-bye.